Now, this is a big boss kind of a question. Yeah? The question is, amongst your fellow contestants, who do you think deserves to win? You can't nominate yourself.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir, for the question. I believe that all my fellow contestants here today, all the 20 contestants here today are unique and different in their own ways. And I cannot say exactly who would be the diva, but I believe that everyone here deserves the crown. And yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Big boss चाहते हैं आप सच बोले सच के सिवा कुछ नहीं बोले. But thank you so much and wish you the best. Hi, mic is all yours and your question is, wow, everybody's favorite. What do you like the most about social media?
Thank you for your question. Well, I believe everything in this world has its pros and cons. And I believe it all depends on us. Social media can be harmful when we don't know how to use it properly and when we see the negative side of it. Well, when it comes to the positive side of it, we can use that visibility, the audience, to connect the better community and to inspire others. Thank you.
Thank you. As you rightly said, it could be a boon or a curse, the way we use it. Thank you so much. मैं सबको बता दूं, यहाँ पर खड़े रह के माइक पे इतने कॉन्फिडेंटली बोलना आसान नहीं होता. जब इतना खूबसूरत, इतना दमदार जवाब दे रहे हैं तो उनके लिए तालियां तो बनती है. Hi there. Here we go. Okay. If you had the opportunity to meet a public personality or a celebrity, who would it be and why?
Thank you so much for the question. I am Disha, contestant number 10. If I would have given a chance to meet a public figure, I would like to say Malala Yousafzai, because her boldness, her confidence, her fearfulness to fight for the education of women, her confidence, everything about her inspires me so much. And the way she fights for the rights of women in this age, it's really crucial. Thank you so much.
We need women like you and her who speak their mind. You are the change makers. Thank you and wish you the best. Hello there. Now, sometime back I asked, what is that one thing that you would like to tell Gen Z not to do? The question here is, what is the thing that you like the most about your generation?
Thank you so much for the question, sir. One thing I like about our generation is that it is very competitive and everyone has their own strength and uniqueness and they do it and they shine it in every possible way they can. Thank you.
Indeed, thank you so much and we wish the entire generation the best and you as well. You girls, super confident. And the judges are going to have a tough task to, get on to the point of who's going to be the second runner-up, first runner-up title holder. We will move to the top 5, but in the meantime, wish you the best and thank you so much. Well. I know, eagerly waiting to know who is going to be the second runner-up, the first runner-up, the title holder of Yama Northeast Diva 2025. Well, judges have a tough task at hand. They'll be doing that, but in the meantime, we have Pancharupa back again on stage to amp up the energy.
বাজিছিল তাহানি ইয়াতে ফাগুন আহিছে পলাশ বননি খুৱাই ফাগুনৰ মধুৰ বাঁহী বাজিছিল তাহানি ইয়াতে ফাগুন আহিছে পলাশ বননি খুৱাই মন মোৰ উৰি যায় চমকি থমকি ৰয় ৰুণজুণ নুপুৰে মাতে নিশা ঝাজে কহি পাতে মন মোৰ বুলিয়া কৰে কুহু কুহু কুনি মাতে পাখি মেলি দিয়ে মোৰ গানে আজি ছায়া গৈনো গৈ তাত আহে নামি হালধীয়া ৰং কিনো বাখৰুৱা প্ৰাণ কিনো বসন্ত নিবিড় নয়ন বুজাব খুজি প্রতিদিনে তুমি দিয়া আহিয়ে পাহি ও জীবন তুমি রহনিয়া রঙরে ফুল প্রতিদিনে তুমি দিয়া আহিয়ে পাহি ও জীবন তুমি রহনিয়া রঙরে ফুল
Well, thank you, Pancharupa, for bringing the house down. And let's have one big round of applause once again for Pancharupa. Come on, our very own Assam's all-women powerhouse band. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for us to, as we get closer to the final round, we bring our top 10 back on stage.
Take me down with you for the last time, for the last time, for the last time, for the last time.
All right, girls, all smiles, wish you the best. This is the moment we disclose the top 5. It's going to be a judges Q&A round, the last round, and post which we'll get to know who the title holders are this evening, okay? So wish you the best, and in random order, let me disclose. Shall I disclose the top 5? She's the only one, or he's the only one who's been cheering for me. Thank you so much. Should I? Yeah, go for it, Sachin. Yes, I am. Vyama Northeast Diva 2025, our top 5 in random order. As I call out the name, please step forward. Finalist number 14, Adam Wangsu. Our second semi-finalist who moves to top 5, the final round, is finalist number 20, R. Laldusaki. Third spot in top 5 goes to finalist number 2, Nikita Das. 2 more spots. Who gets the 4th spot in top 5 is finalist number 10, Disha Chinnel. Okay, hold your breath. One more name moves to the top 5. And who that is? Sachin, just get on with it. That's what is going on in your mind, right? Why don't you smile? Come on, you made it here. So don't get disheartened. Our last finalist who moves to top 5 is finalist number 8, Priyam Ranjana. And the others who didn't make it, wish you the best. Don't get disheartened. Keep that smile on. The world awaits you. Okay, girls. Congratulations. First of all, big congratulations to all of you. Okay. And thank you. ये जो मैंने दहशत बनाई है ना, अब जब जो round of applause मुझे अब जो मिल रहा है, I like it. I love it. Thank you. You girls made it. Out of you 5, second runner-up, first runner-up, title holder very soon. It's just, we are one bridge across, which is the Q&A round. Judges will be asking you a question. I have the names of the judges right here in the cue cards. You select the cue card. Whichever cue card comes to you, that respective name I'll disclose, and that respective judge will be asking you a question. It's as simple as that. Judges, please gear up. Finalist number 14, congratulations. Do you want to first take a pick? Hand it over to me. Ooh, Kalpana ma'am, starting with you. It's over to you. Go for it.
Hello, dear.
Hi,
How are
ma'am.
you?
I'm fine.
So, which movie title best describes your life?
Thank you for your question, ma'am. Well, if I had to describe my life in a movie title, it would definitely be Ye Jawani Hai Deewane. Because my life has always been all about education, and stepping towards my passion has always been struggling for me. I came here in Northeast Deva, all of I came here into Miss Northeast Deva all by myself without the support of my very dear ones, that is my family. But I don't take it in a negative way because I believe every parent wants their daughter to do something great in their field, that is education, and I respect there. But standing here in front of you all, being confident really describes Ye Jawani Hai Deewani because I think my life is a blend of struggle and enjoyment at the same time. Thank you.
Wow!
Thank you so much.
Pichkari jo tune mujhe mari. Wish you the best and supremely confident. Here we go. I'm going to request you to please pick a card so we can disclose who the judge will be asking your question. Seema ji. Here we go.
Hi.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. So, how do you handle pressure during stressful situation?
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर द ब्यूटीफुल क्वेश्चन मैम. जब भी मैं प्रेशर फील करती हूँ तब मैं सोचती हूँ कि कोई बात नहीं, पॉजिटिव वे में लो, कुछ ना कुछ तो सोल्यूशन मिल ही जाएगा. लाइफ में कुछ ना कुछ तो हो ही जाएगा, क्योंकि हमेशा आगे बढ़ना हमें है. क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा वो बाद में देखेंगे. आज मैं यहाँ पे इस स्टेज में आके खड़ी हूँ, मुझे पता नहीं मैं विनर बनूंगी या नहीं, लेकिन हाँ, अगर मैं अपना परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा करूँ, मैं यहाँ पे आज बोल सकती हूँ, तो ऑफ कोर्स मैं एक दिन विनर ज़रूर बनूंगी. सो क्या है क्या नहीं है ये बाद में सोचेंगे, पहले अभी जियो, अपनी लाइफ को जियो और खुश रहो. थैंक यू.
Wow, एक से बढ़कर एक. Thank you so much. Wish you the best.